Let's talk about comparative adjectives. We use comparative adjectives to talk about the differences between two nouns. These adjectives can take two forms. We can either add er to the end of our adjective, or we can add the word more before our adjective. We add er to the end of short adjectives. So if our adjective is one syllable, we would add er. For example, the word old would become older. Pigeon is older than Junebug. We also add er to two-syllable adjectives if they end in a y. However, in this case, we change the y to an I. For example, the adjective noisy. We would say pigeon is noisier than Junebug. If our short adjective already ends in an E, we just add an R. So the word late becomes later. And if our short adjective ends in a consonant vowel consonant, like the adjective big, we double our last consonant and big becomes bigger. We use more with longer adjectives. So if we have an adjective that is two syllables long and does not end in Y, we add more before our adjective. If we have an adjective that is longer than two syllables, anything longer than two syllables, we add more. For example, Junebug is more aggressive than pigeon. Some adjectives can be used with both rules. So you could use either er or more. For example, you could say more friendly or friendlier, or more quiet or quieter. However, never use both at the same time. So never say more friendlier. And some adjectives don't follow either rule. For example, good is better and bad is worse. All right, that's it for comparative adjectives. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.